Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make the best gazpacho. Start by prepping 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, a cucumber, half a bell pepper, and 1 small red onion. Core and roughly chop vegetables, then toss with 2 cloves garlic, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, and a pinch of salt. Chill everything while you set up your blender or food processor. Warm and friendly tip: use a blender or immersion blender and work in batches for even texture and better control. Start by pulsing to break down large pieces, then blend to your preferred consistency, leaving some small chunks for mouthfeel. Taste and add vinegar or salt gradually, keeping a balance between acidity and sweetness. Finish with a splash of olive oil and chill until serving temperature is pleasantly cool. Serve gazpacho cold in shallow bowls or small glasses for a fun tapas feel, and always keep it chilled before serving. Top with finely diced cucumber, bell pepper, and a sprinkle of herbs like parsley or chives for color and crunch. Add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a few crunchy, toasted bread cubes or a halved boiled egg if you want more substance. Encourage guests to stir before sipping to redistribute flavors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.